Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Developer tab so you can access Word's form tools. Once done, set a simple page layout and margins to keep questions aligned. Next, insert basic content controls like plain text, rich text, and checkboxes. These are your interactive fields. Make sure to name each control in its properties so you can identify them later. This immediate setup saves time and prevents rework when you add conditional or repeatable sections. You now place the controls for each question and configure them precisely. For multiple choice, use combo or drop-down boxes so responses are consistent. For open answers, use plain or rich text. In properties, give a clear title and tag, add helpful placeholder text, and lock formatting if needed. Group related controls so they behave as a unit, and adjust the tab order so users move through the questionnaire naturally. This step prevents inconsistent data and speeds up later analysis. You finish by restricting editing so respondents can only fill fields and not alter the layout. This protects your formatting and data. Then thoroughly test the form. Enter sample responses, check tab order, and export to PDF if you need a non-editable copy. Save a template for reuse and decide how to collect replies, email, shared drive, or merged documents. If something breaks, unlock protection to edit, correct control properties, and reapply protection. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.